Hey everybody, I'm here again for my RPG status update number 5 now, and I want to show you what I've been working on. Basically, it is the map. So when you go, move up, down, left, right, there's actually a map. There's actually a map now. So I've got a global map, and then I show on the screen each tile that you're at, and you can see which paths you can go on. And then I also created a little global minimap so you can see all the tiles or pieces that you've been to. So you can see kind of where you are in the overworld. So I'm going to show you that now. Here's your start screen. So we'll just go to load a game. Zoom out a little bit. Start. And here you go. The first piece is a straight piece. And see this beautiful 8-bit type artwork reminiscent of some old school game design, and I had help with all these graphical images from my friend Jared. He helped me out, so I appreciate that. So first let's try to move left, and you can see, hey, can't move left, it says. Try to move right, can't move right. So you can only move on the path. Can't go off the trail. So let's just go up. And it refreshes now. There's a left path, or I can go straight, or I can turn around and go backwards. And I'll just keep going up. And then I'll go up some more. And so basically, every time you choose a direction, it'll refresh and show you the new trail, your new options that you have available. The map isn't random, so you don't randomly get a new tile. There is a design, an overworld design, which I have. I drew it on this piece of paper first. You can see what's on the other side. Yeah, that's not good. But the blue is my map, and that's a mess. But that's the map, and I didn't have a way for the users, for the gamers who's playing the game, to see what my overworld map is. So it would be very easy to get lost if all you're seeing are these little trails and you don't know the greater image. So what I did was create a global map for you to see. Currently, I switched out the view stats. So instead of actually showing the stats when you click this, now it shows the map. I just need to add an extra map item to the menu, but didn't get around to it yet. So go to view stats and you'll see the map. Click it, and here's your map. As you can see, my global map is a 7x7 grid, and yeah, so there it is. The black grid pieces are areas you haven't been to yet, so I don't want to reveal the whole map until you've actually visited it. So yeah, you can see which spaces you've been to, and you can see which ones you haven't been to. And it's kind of hard to tell, but that top piece right there that looks like it's kind of white, that's green, and that indicates where you currently are. So I'm going to go back to the map. I'm going to go up, and then you'll see this fill in. I'll go up twice. Click any key to continue. I'm going to move up. I'm going to move up one more time, and that's a little end piece, so you can't go forward anymore. Can't move up. Then you can't. Whoops, I can move down. Can't move up. Can't move left. Can't move right. So, end piece. So let's go back to the map, and we can see we're at the end there. We moved up twice, and the map updated, and now we're at the end right there, and we can't go any further. We can just navigate around the map to show you, and I'll also point out this little compass I have right here on the left. I just added that as well. It's kind of crummy looking. I might want to make it look a little bit nicer in the future, but quick and dirty, I just did that. So as you can see, we're facing north right now. If we go down, we will now be facing south. You can see the map updated, or the compass updated. I'll go left. which would be east. Yes. So now I'm going east. If I go down, I'll turn around and I'll be facing west. And you can see the compass updates. I'll go down again. And then I'll move along this path. Just do a little bit more. Move left, dead end, go back, let's go back right, let's go back right, and let's go take a look at the map again. As you can see, I went along that path, and so those spaces filled in, they're not black anymore, they show what the path looks like, and my green space is where I currently am. So if I go forward one more, I'll reach that 4-point intersection. So let's just show that really quick. Boom, 4-point intersection. There I am. And I'll just start moving around. Normally, every time you do a successful move, so if I try to go right here, can't move right, that is not a successful move. Try to go up, can't go up, that's not a successful move. But if I go left, that would be a successful move. So normally, every time there's a successful move, a random number is generated, and there is a 25% chance of there being a battle, and there's a 10% chance of running into a shop. And I turned that off right now so I could just show you the map, but that's how that would work. So instead of battles being up every time like it normally was, you get a 25% chance of running into an enemy. And battles are played like they normally are, so nothing has changed there as of yet. And look at the map, you can see I went over all that left path. But that's pretty much it. I'll probably make the map a little bit bigger, maybe. Or I'll have different sub-maps. So this 7x7 would be a sub-map. And then, once you go past it, you'll go into another sub-map, something like that. And what I also want to change is, if you look at the background here, you can see the sun. So if I were to turn right, the sun wouldn't still be in front of me. It would be, to my left or something. So I'm going to probably change that with the help of Jared again. Help me get some shading in there to indicate that the sun's in a different location. So for the zone. So I'll need 4 sets of these images overall. I'll need, one for the sun, in front of you, behind you, to the left, to the right. And he also gave me an idea, or he also mentioned maybe doing nighttime as well. So instead of the sun, it would be the moon, obviously, with stars and all that good stuff. So might be doing that as well. I might also, do locations. So stores probably won't be random necessarily. They could be, an actual building that wouldn't move or appear randomly. That would be crazy if they did. So I'll do that. And then I'd have to change this image to do a little shop house on, on the little map. And probably do like a cave or a dungeon, something like that. And then that would require other types of images to be displayed. But, something to think about and to do. That's about it. Everything else is the same, I believe. Just added these images, the compass there, and the overall map, which looks pretty snazzy if I do say so myself. And that's it. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.